Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I'm going to show to you how to customize the background from your image or photo using Canva application. So actually I already create this video tutorial a few weeks before about changing the background from the image and customize it. So now I will try to show to you how to improvise it so the background that you're changing is matched with the object from the previous image that has the original background from it. Okay, the way to do that, first I already export an image onto this page, this one on Canva. Okay, the next step, just click the image like this and go to this Magic Studio buttons and click this BG remover to remove the background from it first, like that. Okay, and then wait for a moment, and when you're done, now the background from this image is already gone, so the things that left from the image is only the object, kind of like trees and this grass. Okay, the next step, I'm going to change the background color onto maybe a night sky. So go to the elements button and then type the background that you want to insert, because before I say to you that I'm going to use a night sky, so let's just type night sky like this and then search it. And now you need to use this photos element, click it and then find the exact image that you want to use. So for me, I'm going to use this one, and then you just need to increase the size of the image like this. Go to this toolbar and then click this position button and send it backward behind of the object from this image, from this page. Okay, the next part, as you can see, when you transfer the background behind of the object, there will be a kind of like this white mark spot on this object that make it look like it's not a natural background from this image. Okay, the way to make it much more natural or blend it onto the background, first click this image and then go to the adjust, and now you just need to play around with the temperature, kind of like this, because the color from the background is blue, so I'm going to drop the temperature onto this blue color and then increase the tint. I'm going to decrease the tint onto this side, and for the brightness, because it's night, so I'm going to decrease it too, kind of like this. And for the contrast, I'm going to increase it like this, just a little bit. And the highlight, let's drop the highlight. And for the shadow, I'm going to decrease the shadow, kind of like this. And when you're done, now this is the final result of it. As you can see, now the object from the previous image and the background that we are insert before is already blending onto one image that much more look natural. Okay, that's the first video, and that's the way how to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.